So it's a 3-in-1 de-icer. Here we go. A floater, a sinker, and a drain plug. Probably shouldn't put this together. There's probably something that goes up in there. Got a piece of putty. And your little clip. That's a big one. How's that supposed to lay flat, I wonder? Okay. To operate as a floater, simply place the unit with the float attached into the water, connect the cord to a properly grounded GFCI protected receptacle. Do we have one of those outside? Okay.
Okay, so right now it's a floater. So they said there's 4 tabs. See that? There's one tab there, and that one just popped back in now.
Hey, is the grader here?
I don't know. I can't see nothing.
I can hear something.
I think somebody... Oh, there we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now we got her. Now she's a sinker. There, that's it. Now she's a sinker. And in this part, I got a piece of foam for that, and this is the lid. So that'll be easy to plop right in. So this other thing, these parts here are to put in the tank when you got that hole to drain hole. These will go into the drain hole, and it'll seal the hole. Then this goes back, then this goes here to seal it off, and you put the putty on the cord so it doesn't leak through here. You put the putty in here, and yeah, then that's how that works. And then this snaps together and it goes into the drain hole. And this is your nut, I think. Yeah, this is the nut. Otherwise, there it is. And now we're going to put it in the tank like this. We don't want it as a floater. We have a 500 watt one now in there, so I'm going to take that out and then swap these out. Put this big one in there. I'm here to put a new, a bigger heater into our water trough. So first thing I got to do here . This is the old one. This one's 500 watts. This is 1500 watts. So this one's 3 times bigger.
Just wait. There. Be forewarned, killer's coming. And yeah, we're not referring to the bull. Ah! What's he doing here? Doesn't seem to sit very nice, does it? Shit.
Hi, Rusty.
You should not be in that position, Greg. Fuck.
Hey, Cass.
Hep! 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 Hey, hep! Okay, just make it quick. You don't need to be on your knees here. What are you looking for?
The other one.
What other one? Oh, it's right there.
So, there you go.
Thank you.
You might as well just top it up, eh? You want me to top it up?
Sure.
Oh, I thought you were going to film it. Okay. Hey, Max.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
You're blaming me for this cold weather. I think you said yes, you do. Well, he's going to Mama.
He wants his mom.
Yeah, he's going to Mama.
Hi, baby.